Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is quadratic equation, and in previous class we take and discuss a very important questions related to that topic. Like we discuss all the important concepts related to quadratic equations. We take and solve some important question based on factorization or simplifications based on quadratic equation. Now, in today's class, we also take and solve some important questions related to your topic syllabus. Okay, so let's see some very important questions related to quadratic equations. Let's see. Solve the equations, and the question is solve the equation a upon x minus b plus b upon x minus a, b upon x minus a is equal to 2, and it is given a is not equal to a and b. Because of x is equal to a, b, then all the term is not defined. Okay, now look, we are solving the given equation. So let's see its solution. Now let's see its solution. First of all, we write the given equation, that is a upon x minus b, b upon x minus a is equal to 2, is equal to 2. Now look, so what I do for that? So we take their LCM. Okay, now let's see. If we take their LCM as x minus a, x minus b. Now look, x minus a, b, x minus b cancel to each other. Though we take a into x minus a is left here. Okay. Now plus x minus a cancel to each other. So that is b into x minus b is equal to 2. Is equal to what? 2. Now what I do? Now we just simplify the given relation. Now look, so this is ax minus a square plus that is bx minus b square is equal to 2 times that is x minus a into x minus b. Now look, here from these two terms we take what is the common factor from these two terms. First of all, we just multiplying them, or if we take x is equal to a plus b. So look, this is ax minus ax plus bx minus a square minus b square. Now 2 into, we multiply them. This is x square minus bx minus ax plus ab is left. We just multiplying them. Now we do their multiplication. So this is ax plus bx minus a square minus b square is equal to what I get, that is 2x square minus 2bx minus 2ax plus 2ab is left here, 2ab is left. So now look, from there, now if we take here 2x is common, then we get x minus a is left here, and here 2b is common, to x minus a. So here a plus b, a plus b. Now what I do from there, what I do, For that, now we separate the variables. Okay, now after separate the variables, so we get what? Look, that is 2x square, right, as it is. Okay, 2x square, and this is 2bx is there. Here what I get? This is 2bx now, and bx is already is here, and here this is 2ax. Now look, now we separate the variables. Okay, this is 2x square is there. Now look, this is 2x square, this is 2bx, here 2bx is also, and 2ax is there. Okay, so now look, this is 2bx, this is bx. Now ax, this is plus 2ax is there, and plus bx is there, and this is minus 2bx, transfer that side to plus 2bx. Okay, and here if now is equal to, this is a square, transfer that side, a square plus b square plus 2ab is there. Okay, now this is 3ax plus 3bx. Now this is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Okay, now from these two terms we take 3x as common, so this is a plus b is left, and it is equal to a plus b whole square. Now a plus b 1 is cancelled to each other. Okay, so that is 3x is equal to a plus b, that is x is equal to a plus b by 3. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Okay, so please do more and more practices of that type of question, and in this way you can solve each and every questions of your in this way you can solve that type of question. So please just do more and more practices of that type of. Now we take and solve some other important question. Based on these topics, we take a very simple question and look, solve the equation root 2x square minus 3x minus 2 under root 2 is equal to, this is very easy question. We just factorize them by splitting the middle term. So look, this is 2 to the 4, so root 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 under root 2 is equal to 0. Now from there we take root 2x as common, so this is x minus 2 root 2, okay, is left here, and here from this is plus 1 take common, so x plus minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Because of here 4, we can write 2 into 2, and 1 2 we can write root 2 into root 2. So now look, from now we take this is common, so x minus 2 root 2 as common from both the term, and in second term 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is left. Now if we take this is 1 is equal to 0, so we get x is equal to 2 root 2, and if we take root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then it x is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. In this way you can solve that type of question. So please just do more and more practices of that type of question, and in this way you solve all the important questions of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. question is, this is very important question. Solve the equation. Solve the equation 1 upon 2a plus b plus 2x, 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon 2. Dear student, this is very important questions related to your topic, your chapter. Now let's see its solution. So it is given that, dear student, in that type of question, first of all we just separate the variables, means we take the terms of included x both side, same side. So now for that we can write 1 upon 2a plus b plus x, sorry, this is plus 2x, no, and plus 2x, 1 upon 2 transfer that side to 1 minus 1 upon 2x is there, is equal to, that is 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon b is left in right hand side. Now here we take LCM as 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x, and from right hand side we take 2ab as LCM. We'll take 2ab as LCM. Okay, now look here. Now 2a plus b plus 2x cancel to each other. Now here 2x is left minus 2x cancel to each other, so we get 2a plus b plus 2x is left here. And right hand side, this is 2a cancel, b plus b cancel, that is 2a is left here. Okay, now from there we break the brackets, so we get 2x, this is minus 2a, this is minus b, minus this is 2x upon, this is 2x in bracket, 2a plus b plus 2x is left, is equal to, this is 2a plus b, write as it is, upon 2 into a into b. Now look here, this is 2, this 2 and this 2 cancel to each other, and here look, this is 2x cancel to each other. So now we take minus as common, so this is 2a plus b upon, this is x into 2a plus b plus 2x is left, is equal to, here this is 2a plus b upon, this is a into b is left. Okay, now look, this is 2a plus b, 2a plus b, whole 2a plus b cancel to each other. Now here 1 is there, 1 is left. Now we do their cross multiplication. So after cross multiplication we get, after cross multiplication we get, this is x into 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to minus a into b, minus a into b. After doing cross multiplication, dear students, we get what? Look, x into 2a plus b plus 2x and is equal to, this is minus a into b, minus a into b. Now we do the multiplication. Look, this is 2ax plus, this is bx plus, this is 2x square is equal to minus a into b. minus a into b. Now look, we minus a we transfer that side. Okay, so we have 2ax plus bx plus 2x square plus a is equal to 0. Now we take these two terms and these separate. Now we separate the pair. We form the pair. Now from these two terms we take a is common. So this is 2x is b, 2x plus b is left. Now here this is x is common from these two. X is common is there, no? So that is 2x plus b is equal to 0. Now look, now 2x plus b, 2x plus b is common in both the terms. So from both the terms we take 2x plus b as common, and in next bracket this is a plus x is equal to 0. Now what I do for that? Now if now we take 2x plus b is equal to 0, and then we take a plus x is equal to 0. Now look, if we take 2x plus b is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to minus b by 2. Okay, now if we take a plus x is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to minus a. So now look, dear friend, in this way x is equal to minus a and x is equal to minus b upon 2 is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so dear friend, please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, this is one of the most important questions of your science. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve that. Let's see once more time. Dear friend, from this question, this is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. In that question, first of all, what I do, this is 1 upon 2a plus b plus 2x is left hand side, and on right hand side 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon 2x. So in that type of question, first of all you separate the variables. Variable means you separate the value of x. Because of we solving the value solution means what, we finding the value of x. Now this is the concept of this question. So now if we separate the variable, this 1 upon 2x transfer that side minus 1 upon 2x. Now so now from these two terms and from these two terms we take as LCM as 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x, and from these two terms 2ab. Now we take the LCM both the side and simplify them, so we get this result. Now from these two we take minus as common, so after cross multiplication we get this. Now after simplify them we get our result. So in this way you can solve that question. Now we take and solve some other important question related to that chapter. Let's see. Now look. Now we take question. Solve the look. Solve the equations. Your question is solve. This is x plus 3 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 1 minus x upon x is equal to now look. Now we take the LCM as x into x minus 2 now we take the LCM. Now x minus 2 cancel to each other, so we get x into x plus 3 minus x is cancelled to each other, so this is 1 minus x into x minus 2 is left. Okay, now we do the multiplication. This is x square plus 3x, this is minus, this is 1x minus 2 minus x square plus 2x divided by x square minus 2x is equal to 17 by 4. Okay, now this is x square plus 3x minus plus x square plus 2 plus 2x plus 3x, so this is minus 3x divided by x square minus 2x is equal to 17 by 4. Now plus 3x minus 3x is what? Cancel to each other, so we get x square, that is 2x square and plus 2 into 4 is equal to 17 into 2x square minus 2x. Sorry, x square minus 2x. Now, yes, x square minus 2x. Now, 4 2s are, this is 8x square plus 4 2s are, this is 8 is equal to, this is 17x square minus 34x. Now look, this is 17x square minus 8x square and minus 34x, right, as it is, plus 8 minus, after that is minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we get this is 17x square minus this is 9x square and this is minus 34x minus 8 is equal to 0. 8 is equal to 0. Now what I do? Well, we do their factorization by method of splitting the middle term, and in this way you get the value of x as 4 and or minus 2 by 9. This is the required solution. Now you are solving the quadratic equation by the method of splitting the middle term. Okay, so in this way you can solve that question. Now in this way you can solve that type of question. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question. Okay, now thanks to all.